Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, where creativity never stops. And today I've brought an amazing lattice mini drone. As you can see, it's super powerful and packed with exciting features. You can see how smoothly it's flying here. The control and balance are just amazing. And here are some cool facts about it. It supports 2.4 GHz control, performs 360 degrees flips, and features a 6-axis gyro for stable flight, with a LiPo battery and 2 color options, black, grey, and orange black. Let's power it up and see it in action. We've just unboxed it, and honestly, it feels super strong and well built. Many companies make drones, but this one really stands out with its amazing quality and smart design. Just look at those propellers. They're solid and perfectly balanced. In this video, we're going to test its power, stability, and overall performance. So keep watching till the end to see how impressive this drone really is. As we mentioned earlier, these propellers are really strong and durable. It's packed with amazing features. Let's imagine we are working on a project, say designing a battery management system product, with enclosure and all. Sounds simple, right? Until we have component delays, board fitting issues, thermal problems, or safety compliance. That's where Altium Develop saves the day. In this, we can capture all the requirements in one environment so everyone sees them. Then, its BOM portal helps to check the selected component availability, pricing, and lifecycle status. For traditional schematic and PCB design, Altium Designer is already there. But the Altium Develop helps with MCAD, ECAD code design for mechanical engineers to check the PCB fitting. When the design is done, we get a platform where team members review and give feedback on contexts like safety and pin maps, etc. After review is done, Altium Develop generates release packages with up-to-date BOM and design documents. And it preserves version history so we know who approved what and when. Finally, Altium Develop saves all of the data like version history to evolve the product during production. Our life gets easier with Altium Develop. It is faster, safer, and smarter. If you want to develop a full electronics product, you can check the link in the description to know more about it. Let's move ahead and see how it performs. So friends, inside the box you get a charging cable, some extra propellers, and a unique remote control that feels really smooth to use. You can move it around easily, forward, backward, and side to side with great response. It also has a special speed switch that lets you choose between 30%, 80%, and 100% power modes, making it perfect for both beginners and pros. Let's check how it performs next. So here, the battery is already attached. Once you remove it, you can easily connect it to the charging cable. So make sure to connect it properly, because this is the main power source for the drone. Just plug it into any standard charger, and it starts charging right away. After a few minutes, it powers up quickly and is ready for flight again. The charging process is simple, fast, and super convenient for regular use. Now let's see how it performs after a full charge. Installing the battery in the drone is super easy. Just attach it to the connector and you'll see the indicator light turn on, showing it's ready to go. Now that the battery is installed, the drone is ready to fly. We bring out the remote control to get started and first understand how it works. It's important to practice flying at home so you can get comfortable with the controls, moving it forward, backward, and side to side. This way you'll master its handling before taking it outside for full action. Let's see how smoothly it responds to our commands. We got it flying in just a few minutes. So now we've taken it outside the house, and you can see how high it's flying, truly soaring up in the sky. So you can see it's flying really high. That's why it's important to choose a product from a good, reliable company. We can't afford to waste our money, because money is earned with a lot of hard work. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Now I want to hear from you. So drop your thoughts in the comments and tell me what you think. If you have any unique ideas, tips or suggestions, don't hesitate to share them, because your feedback really helps me improve and create even better projects for the next video. I love trying out new things based on your ideas, so keep them coming. Thank you so much for watching, and until we meet in the next video, take care, stay safe, and goodbye friends.